Okay, everyone, tampering with my fire alarms when you are in my house is a big no. You don't ever do that. So, when you are in my house, do not tamper with my fire alarms. If you tamper with my fire alarms when you are in my house, you will go to jail right away. Staying in jail, nothing. So do not tamper with my fire alarms when you are in my house for any reason. Got it? I hope you do, or else you will go to jail right away. You do not want that, so please leave my fire alarms alone when you are in my house. Goodbye.